Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Bank of India. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Bank of India with a price target of Rs 165. Healthy business momentum and lower credit cost driven by strong asset quality outlook is likely to help sustain ROI closer to 1% in near to medium term, despite margin headwinds. The stock provides good entry opportunity currently after the steep correction. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.8 times FY25 and 0.7 times FY26 adjusted book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next we cover Zydus Lifesciences. We retain buy with an upward revised price target of Rs 985. We see many visible levers of growth for Zydus going forward that would help sustain high earnings growth momentum in near term, led by Revlimid and other launches such as Vascepa and Transdermal in the US that will play out in second half of FY24, steady domestic formulation growth led by its strong biosimilar scale-up. We expect EBITDA margins to expand around 100 pips every year to 29% by FY26, despite R&D spending of 8%. A healthy balance sheet of Rs 1600 crore in cash will aid in case of M&A, and a clean compliance track record will help garner any short-term opportunities in the US. Citing higher visibility of sales traction in the US, which is likely to pass $1 billion in FY24, that will lead to strong earning trajectory going forward. We raise our EPS by 20% for FY25 and 15% for FY26. At current market price, Zydus traded 80.7 times FY25 of EPS of Rs 45.9 per share. Last we cover Mahindra and Mahindra. Our analyst maintains a buy rating on M&M with a revised price target of Rs 1853. Due to a healthy order book in the PV segment, market leadership in the tractor segment, opportunity to grow in the farm machinery segment, and its roadmap to play in the EV space, Mahindra & Mahindra has reported in line with expected performance and gained 80 bips year-on-year market share in tractor segment. Given its in-house NBFC and pan-India presence, M&M is expected to sustain its high market share in tractor industry. The stock trades at price to equity multiple of 15.7 times and EV by EBITDA multiple of 10.6 times its FY26 estimates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.